Hi everyone, Bex Smith here on day 8 of our 40-day DIY marketing video series. Today I want to have a chat with you about a simple way that you can start to collect new customer leads and basically hold on to those leads into a database in a way that you'll be able to communicate with them moving forward. So essentially we're going to be working with MailChimp and also in Facebook today, and I'm going to give you an example of one campaign that I've run to actually generate leads for my business, and I'll show you really basically how to set it up. It's really quite easy, and it's using the free version of MailChimp. So you can have up to 2,000 contacts in the free version of MailChimp, and also 2 separate email database lists. So when you're getting started, that's probably going to be enough for most businesses to kick it off with. So I'll just share my screen. I'm going to show you an example of an ad that I ran on Facebook. So this was an opportunity I put out there to business owners to give them a free 30-minute digital marketing strategy session. So I was building my database for Gold Key Marketing Business, and I ran this ad in a targeted way to business owners within my target group. So what you can see here is I've created this ad here talking about this opportunity, essentially giving them the opportunity to sign up here if they want to participate in this free session. And this sign up here actually links through. When you click on this, it actually links through to a landing page that I've developed in MailChimp. So this landing page is where we're actually capturing email address, first name and last name for our potential new customers. So what you can see here is I've talked about the free 30-minute digital strategy session, which I'm offering. There's only 50 free sessions, and in order to qualify, you've got to put your details in here and then complete the quick survey, and then I go on to say that I'll call them to book a suitable time for that session. So once they click on this Take Quick Survey Now, it actually takes them through to this survey, which I've also built in MailChimp. So basically you can see here I'm asking about their business to get a bit more information so I can tailor the free 30-minute session for each of the customers that actually click through, and then getting some basic details at the end so that I can obviously book that session and communicate with them. So there you go. There's a simple way that you can actually jump in and start to collect your potential new customers' details. You would then look to have an email sequence that follows on from this particular session. So after that strategy session has been had, or it may be a free ebook or something else that you're offering, a free quote, for example, to your customers, you'd have then a sequence of follow-up messages that would go through to your customers. And the idea is that you're really moving them down that funnel of purchase intention from basically a cold lead, from someone who doesn't know you at all, to someone who's aware of what you do, to someone who's then quite interested potentially in what it is you're offering, to someone who then you've actually worked with in some way or provided them with some free value. So then potentially there's a much higher chance of that potential customer moving into becoming an ongoing customer with your business. You actually go into MailChimp to build the landing page and also to build that survey, but it's very straightforward. And then you're literally just creating that link when you're making that ad in Facebook. That sign up link is just going to link through to your landing page. Your landing page then has a link through to the survey. So it's pretty simple. Really then it comes down to how well you've targeted your ad and how well you've created the content and how good the free value offer is that you're offering out there to the market to generate those new customer leads. Anyway, have a great day, and I look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow when we have our number 9 free do-it-yourself video. I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.